If you're doing business on the internet and you pay for a service and you don't get the result that you want, so you cancel the service, switch to another provider, because there's a lot of provider that's like doing the same thing. So today I'm going to show you how and why I will leave Namecheap, because that's where I have, that's the registrar, that's where I have all my domain. I will switch to Bluehost because I have a couple domains in Bluehost and it's worked good for me. And I don't have to be a tech savvy. I don't have to know code. I don't have to know I don't have to be in like expert in WordPress to manage it. It's easier for me versus Namecheap. Sometimes you need to know code, or if you don't know code, you have to work with someone that can do that for you. It's like not easier. And the cloud-based, the hosting, sometimes they block you for no reason. You want to do work on your website, and then they keep like giving you warning, all those stuff. Well, I'm kind of tired of that, and I pay someone on Fiverr $80 to work on my website, and that person don't do nothing because the hosting provider keep blocking him from working. So for that reason, I'm going to show you how, if you have the same problem that I'm having right now, how you can change your hosting going to another one. So let's go to my computer right now and I will show you how to do that. So this is my Namecheap. Well, for some reason they blocked me. I cannot log in. I tried so many times to log in. Even I tried to reset my password, and they keep telling me that I have to let's say, you see they blocked me. And when I'm logging to my Bluehost account, I never have any problem. So let's go to this website, Millionairetek. That is my website .com/hosting, and I'm going to create a new account. With this, I'm going to purchase a new hosting, because the hosting that I have, I don't like it. Too much trouble. And the benefit with Bluehost, they give you a free SSL certificate. They give you, let me click on get started so you can see what I'm talking about. You see, get started. So you have, like, for this plan, the basic, you have like one website, 10 gig storage, custom theme, and you have like 24/7 support. You have 1 year, you have a free domain for 1 year, you have a CDN included, I don't know what CDN, and free SSL certificate. For this one you have the same thing, but for this one you can host unlimited website. So I'm going to use this because I have like 30, 35 or 36 something website. So I don't want, anytime I want to install WordPress on one of my website, to buy or come and purchase a new plane. So I'm going to use this one as my plane, and anytime I have a new website, I can just come and then host it here for free. This is why I like this one. So let me select this one. So they asked me if I want to use a new domain or if I want to use my own domain. So I want to use my own domain because I have it already, which is let me check, bestreviews.com. So let me make sure I put it correct, because sometimes I misspell stuff. Alright, best electronic reviews.com. You see, this is what happened anytime I try to go into my account. This is what it gives me. You see, it's frustrating. Alright, so let's create my account. So next. Okay, so now I'm going to create my account. So let me put my information and I will come back to show you how to finish it. All right, let me do this. Alright, so I put all my information and my payment method, and now all I have to do is just click submit. Let me double check, and all I have to pay is only $65 for the hosting that I'm choosing. So let's click submit. Alright, so because I chose PayPal for my payment, they asked me to log into PayPal to give access. Let me log in. I'll be back. And then the payment is processing. Let's give it a couple seconds. Alright, so this is what I have for my money. So I have our Best Electronic, okay, hosting. So first I have to transfer the domain to Bluehost, but to do that I will need to go to Namecheap so I can do that, but I have to wait until they give me access to my account, because it will take me like 24 hours to 24. After 24 hours I can do that. So let's create my account. So to create your account, most of the time I use the same, well, you have to use the same you use your domain name, and I will put the same thing for my password, so it's easier for me, that which is Best Electronic Reviews. It requires some numbers, 22 and a special character. Okay, so, and make sure you remember what you put in as your password. Best Electronic. Alright, I put my password and create account, and I have to make sure that I write my password down. Well, I don't have to write my password down, because when I want to sign into Bluehost, I just come, and as soon as I tap, I save the password, and anytime as soon as I just type the domain name, and it will sign me in with no problem. Alright, your account is created. So let's log in. Alright, so anytime you want to log into your Bluehost, this is how your account will look like. So let's put best login. I can save it. Or now create my website. So already have a website, need to migrate. So do I have to migrate it, or let's create a new one, because I have a new theme, a simple mobile theme that I'm going to install. So let's keep thing easy. So no need help, I don't need help. If you need help, you can click on need help, but for me, I don't need any help. And it will be my blog. And what type is it? So it will be lifestyle educational. Let me see if I have a advertising and marketing. Let's put advertising and marketing, because I'm gonna go into. And who are you creating site for? That's for myself, that's for me. And continue. Now what do you want to name your site? Well, I don't have to do this right now because I can do it on WordPress. Let's skip this and pick a free theme that inspire you. All right, let's just choose a free theme, because I will whatever theme I choose, I will change it, because that's not the one I'm going to use. So I can choose any. Let's choose this one, Sinatra. And then it's going to take you to this. So every time you're going to sign into your account, it will take you to this, and just log into it. Let me check back to see. Let me check my domain and see my domain. I have to verify. Okay, I have to transfer. I have to transfer the domain to Bluehost, because it's not in Bluehost yet. So to do that, I will need to get a code from Namecheap. But since I cannot have access to my account, so I am going to stop the video right now and come back in 24 hours, so I can't add the code, because they will ask me to put the code, and since I don't have the code, there's no way I can do this. I won't be able to get the code, because I cannot have access to. Okay, will expire or will expire in 7 days. We strongly recommend that you renew the domain at the current registrar, and then wait at least before initiating the transfer. However, if you understand the risk involved and will still like to proceed, we can allow you to transfer your domain name. Domain name can take up to 20 to complete the transfer. If signature is not complete prior to okay, in this case I will have to pay. Alright, this is where I left this video from yesterday, where I was talking about why I leave Namecheap and switch to Bluehost. So they were blocked my account the other day, and it's been like a couple like 12 hours right now, and I'm going to transfer my domain to Bluehost. But the problem with that, because my domain was close to expired, and Bluehost told me that the process might take like 7 to 10 days. So that's mean I have to go back to Namecheap and renew my domain. So I did that. I just renew my domain. Now let me see if I can find a domain. And let me tell you, this is a serious business. If you're looking to do something on the internet, instead of looking like way to make money online, you can learn how to buy and sell domain. You can learn how you can buy a domain and build a website and sell it to a company or a person or someone who's trying to do drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or whatever kind of business on the internet a person trying to do. you can do that. You just buy the domain, you build the website, and then you can sell a website to a person. This is a real business. It's not a business where people will tell you, hey, if you come here or if you click on my links and you will like start getting money, or money will start coming to your account after a couple of days or after a month. It is not like this. It is a business where you can sit and work and do whatever you want and you make money. And there's a lot of money in this business. So these are all my domain that I have. This is my account. This is all the domain that I have. So I have like one, I think it's more than 35 in this registrar only, and I have some with GoDaddy. I have some with Bluehost. So it is the registrar that I'm transferring this domain, this specific domain, because I want to do something special with this domain. I want to build it and make money with it. So that's why the domain is already, the website it's already Best Electronic. Okay, bestelectronicreviews.com. It's right here. And I have like a couple blogs that all right, this is why I want to change it. You see, they keep giving me. This morning I went to it, it's working. Now it's not working. So that's why I'm changing. I'm going to Bluehost, because Bluehost will I hope he doesn't do that to me. So let me look for the domain. Where is it? So this is my main domain, Millionairetek.com. So if you're watching this video on my channel, Millionairetek.com, it's the same name, and I have the same name everywhere, on Facebook, on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, this is the domain. So I have it until June 2nd 2022. So I just renew it, and to change the domain, so Bluehost will require me to get a code from Namecheap so they can like process the transfer. So to do that, you come here where it says, oh, you click on the domain name. Where is it? Never mind. So in case you want to transfer your domain to somewhere else, and from one registrar to another one, this is what you will have to do. It's easier with GoDaddy, because with GoDaddy they just give you a code, but with Namecheap I just tried it and it's different, and they have to send you have to tell them why you want to change a registrar, and they will send you a code, authorization code. So they just sent me the code right here. I haven't opened the email yet, and the code is in here, and I am going to use it later. So this is how you do it. You come, the name of the Best Electronic, this is the name of the domain that I'm transferring. Click on manage, and here this is where you have like, if you want like to park your domain, or if you want like to host your domain somewhere else, and you can use it. Like you see where it says Namecheap, the name server. If I change this, they're gonna ask me to give like, if I want to host it somewhere else, I can like use custom DNS, and they're gonna ask me for name server 1, name server 2, and I can still have the domain in with Namecheap, but I can host it somewhere else. So I don't want to host it, I want to change it completely. And since I pay, it's cheaper, Namecheap is cheaper than let me change it than Bluehost, but it's not a big difference. It's like a couple dollars. So you come here where it says advanced DNS, And in case you want to transfer the domain to another person, it is the same process. I'm going to show you how to do that also. And you come here, wait, sharing and transferring, right here, sharing and transferring, and you come here like new manager. If you want to change the ownership, you want to send it to somebody else, and it's easy. If you want to send the domain to somebody else, you just enter the person email address, and then bada bing bada boom. Okay, so this is where you get the code. So I got the code already, and first you have to unlock the domain. So it was locked, and I unlocked it. Oh, it's locked right now. Okay, it was unlocked, and then wait, how come it's locked? It's not supposed to lock. It has to be unlocked. Okay, unlocked. It has to be unlocked to do the transfer. Okay, it's unlocked, and then you click here where they ask you why you want to transfer. Well, I have my own reason, or you can choose one of this and send code. That's why they will send you the code, or you can choose order and then you leave your comment, and it's simple. So now let's go to Bluehost, where I'm going to complete the transfer. Let me keep this open because I will need the. So if you never have a website before and you're interested in learning how to build a website, just go to www.millionairetek.com/hosting, and you will get a domain free. The domain will be free. All you have to do is just pay for the hosting. So if you want to practice what I'm teaching you right now, this is the best way to do it. So if you want to do business and you don't want to spend even $6, that means you're not interested in business. You're wasting your time. And business on the internet, it's required not only skill, but it's required tools. So you have to spend money because you need tools to make it work. If you trying to make money on the internet and then you don't want to spend money, that means you not going to make anything. It's all you doing is just get information, and until you get information overload and you never do nothing. So if you cannot pay $6.25, or if you cannot pay $40 a year to acquire a domain or a hosting, that's mean you need to go watch Netflix. So just go to millionairetek.com/hosting, and it will take you to this page. Okay, and when you come here, you will choose. You can click on Get Started, the new button. Get Started, and choose a plan, the one that best fit you, and there you can start by getting a free domain. Now, let me show you how to do that. So when you come here, you choose the plan. Like if it's for the first time you're doing it, just choose this. And if you wanna do like more and you wanna keep doing it, you can choose this one. It's $7.45, and you can host unlimited domain. So I choose this one because I can host, like I can build website for my business. I can build like 80, 100, 1000 website, and I can resell it. So that's the only cost you will have if you're trying to do this. So choose this one because you can host unlimited domain, and you will have your domain free. And when you click select right here, and you have a privacy policy, not privacy policy, you have privacy for your domain, and you have SSL certificate free. So create a new domain and just choose a domain name, or check if the domain is available, and then add it to cart, and you will not pay for the domain. You will just pay for the hosting, and the domain will be free. So let me go back because I'm not buying nothing right now. So let me just log into my account so I can finish the process that I started yesterday. And to create an account with Bluehost, like, you will use your domain name, the domain name, and with a password. It's easy. Okay, now I'm in Bluehost, but I don't have WordPress installed yet. Let me check. Let me show, because I tried to install it yesterday. I don't think it's installed. Nope, it is not. Okay, so still give me this this name, and let me go back and let's go to domain. Click on my domain. So this is where I will complete the process. You can see here where it says to activate all feature, transfer to Bluehost. So I have to transfer my domain to Bluehost. This is what I am going to do right now. Click on transfer to Bluehost, and they will tell me the same thing they told me yesterday. Or your domain, oh no, I just renew it, so that's mean I will not have any problem. Okay, and they asked me for the code, so let me go get the code right here. This is the code. And let me see. Your authorization code is just copy this code. That's an ugly code. When I was doing it on Bluehost, they give me a nice code, but this one is very ugly. And copy the code and paste here and continue. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, Best Electronics created. Okay, Namecheck. The domain selected is currently locked from transfer. Transfer prohibited. You will need to unlock the domain at Namecheck before a transfer can take place. Alright, let me go back to Namecheap. Domain locks. Oh, alright. Unlock. Okay, I did it wrong. Sorry. Okay, it's unlocked right now, so let me go back. Okay, it's off. Go back and okay, here custom DNS and name server 1, just paste it here. Go back to Bluehost, name server 2, and paste it here, and then click on the save button. That's it. That's all we have to do, and it will not take that much time, but you know. Okay, and now let's just use privacy for the first year, $15. I don't wanna use any privacy. Just click on add to cart. Terminal. I own this domain and agree to the domain registrar agreement and have read it. Okay, so I want this. You have to check it. If not, they won't proceed. Add to cart. Okay. Okay, so this is what I have to do right now. Shopping cart. This is my cart. Domain and extension. Since that domain is free, so that's mean they give me a coupon. Okay, you can see it was $12.99, and then now it's 0. And let's, like, you don't have to send me a receipt for this because it's 0. And let's click on checkout. Let's click on checkout. Freedom and privacy for okay. Checkout. All right, thank you for your purchase. Okay, when you say thank you for your purchase, that means everything is all. That means everything is alright. This is all I have. So, and then next, I have to verify my email because they will send me an email and I have to verify it before I can go to the next step. So let's see if the email come. No, I didn't use this one. I use a different email. So let me go and confirm my email, and then I will come back and go to the next step. All right, so after you finish with the process, it will take like, before you can do the transfer can be complete, it will take a little time. So now when you come here and you click on login to WordPress, since I installed WordPress yesterday, so when you click login on WordPress, you will see they will give you an ugly link. You will not see your website yet, but you will have an ugly domain right here. But don't worry, after like it could take like 2 hours, or since I transferred that domain, it may take like, I don't know, more than 2 hours after I can get like my domain right here. When I click here, I can have my domain where it says visit site. I can have like the website name. So this is how the site look like right now. And the coming soon, I can put it live. I can put my website live. And well, let me go back there because there's some stuff I have to change. Let me go here. Let me go to edit profile, edit. It puts my name on it. You can see my name here, Stanley, and I can change the way or what I want people to see. Let me just put Stanley here. Display name. Let me just put Stanley. That the display name. And after that, I don't have to do nothing else here. And I just click update. This is for the profile. And next, just launch your website. Okay, just launch your website, because anyway nobody will come to your website. Even you launch it, it's not a problem, because it will not show on search. Mine might show on search engine because it's a live website, but just launch it because it's a live website. But hey, I didn't have nothing serious on it. So launch your website. Okay, click here and click launch. Okay, now you can see now it's coming soon right here, and this coming soon will be oh, I should show you how it would look like. Let me see. Best. Okay, you see now this is how my website would like. Let me see. Go back. This is how it's look like. Okay, and coming soon. And when you click on launch your website, and instead of coming soon, and you will see, you will see something like visit my website, something like this, hello world. You will see welcome or hello world, and you will see like all these things. That's what you will see, because this is the theme. So this is how you transfer your domain from a registrar to another one. So you can do it's the same process for if you're using GoDaddy, Namecheap, web.com, or whatever registrar it is. The process is similar, and this is how you do it. And I will come back and I will show you how I will build my website. And it takes, let's say, it takes only 15 to 30 minutes to create the frame of the website. And I will show you how I will do that. I have a simple mobile theme that I am using. That's what I'm using for almost all my website except Millionairetek. And I will show you how I will design that. I will create a logo, create a background, and I will show you how you can create a page, how to create a post, how to design your footer, because I'm not going to use a header, how to design your footer, and everything you need to know. And that way you can just go and start. After you learn everything, you can just go and start selling your gig. Yeah, selling your gig. You can sell your gig to your friend and family who needs a website, or you can sell it on Fiverr, Upwork. There's a lot of platform, or you can advertise yourself on Facebook, on TikTok, Instagram. Tell people this is what you do, this is what you can do. You can build a website for them. There's a lot of people right now who's hungry looking for someone to build a website for them. They can't find, because they don't know where to go. So just be the master, just be the leader, and tell them this is what I do. I can do it for you. Even if you cannot do it, well, you can contact me. I will tell you what to do. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. That's how a lot of agencies, that's how they work. They take gig and they just pay someone else to do it. And like, let's say they got a job for $100, and they go on Fiverr or somewhere else, they pay someone $50 to do the work, and then they profit $50 for doing nothing. And smart people, this is how they make their money. They use other people. They call that leverage. They leverage other people. This is how they make the money. And I can take any gig. If someone need SEO job, a website job, or whatever it is, I can take that gig because I know where to go to find people to do it cheaper, and I just take the profit. All I have to do is just make sure that the job is done the way it's supposed to be, and that's all is required. So if you like this video, please like. This is like. If you don't like it, you can give me a thumb down. It's okay. So at least I know you don't like it, and I will do my best to create better video for you. And comment below and let me know how I can help you. What do you want? What kind of business you want to start on the internet? Because right now, if you're not doing business on the internet, if you still focus on your job, anytime soon you might be unemployed. And when that happens, you don't know for how long that you're gonna stay unemployed. And now you have, when you go to a store where people used to work, or a parking where people used to work, now there's a machine who does everything. Machine. They almost don't use human to do this job no more. They have a machine that do everything. So if you're smart enough, this is a wise advice. This is an advice from a wise man. That is me, which is me. If you're smart enough, go and learn how to design those machines. Go learn how to repair those machines, because they will be break. They will need human to repair them, because they cannot repair themselves. So be smart. If you learn how to do a website, they will always need people to build a website. Always. So if you learn how to do that, you can make a lot of money. But let me tell you, business require risk. You have to be willing to take the risk. And most people who's trying to make money on the internet make nothing. It took me 2 years to make, well, not 2 years, a year and a half to make my first commission. Even I made $72,000 last year. But after that, to keep getting paid, to keep making commission, it's require a lot of work. And most people, they're not willing to do that work. That's why a lot of people, they don't make money on the internet. So if you're not willing to do not willing to do no work, if you're not willing to spend any money, I'm sorry for you. Go watch Netflix, because it will be better for you. You will do something like more valuable with your time than wasting it watching people talking about money while you're not gonna make any money. So like, subscribe, and comment. Subscribe. I always have problem with this word. I don't know what's wrong with me. All right, so bye. See you guys.